Hello, this is Alessandro El Sharkawi. Today we're going to delve into the world of Microsoft Edge and its convenient file sharing feature, the Edge Drop. This tool is a game changer when it comes to transferring files, making the process simple, quick, and hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned tech guru or a novice just starting out, this easy-to-use feature is designed to make your digital life a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll be able to send files using the Microsoft Edge Drop feature with ease. Microsoft Edge Drop feature is a powerful tool embedded in your browser. It's like having your own personal courier service, right there in your Edge browser. I'm Alessandro El Sharkawi, and I'm here to help you understand this feature better. So, what exactly is the Microsoft Edge Drop feature? Well, it's a fantastic tool that lets you send files directly from your browser. It's like attaching a file to an email, but without the need for an email. What makes it stand out? It's all about speed, security, and convenience. You don't have to wait for uploads or downloads. The file transfer happens almost instantaneously. And in terms of security, your files are encrypted during transit, ensuring their safety. Plus, it's incredibly convenient. No need to switch between apps or platforms. You can send files while browsing the net. Now that you know what the Edge Drop feature is, you might be eager to learn how to use it. So, let's move forward. Using the Edge Drop feature is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's dive right in. First off, open your Microsoft Edge browser. Look for the 3 horizontal dots on the top right corner. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the list, you'll find Edge Drop. Click on it to access the feature. Now let's move on to selecting the files. Once you've accessed Edge Drop, you'll see a Select Files button. Click on that and navigate to where your files are stored. You can choose one or multiple files, depending on your needs. Finally, it's time to send those files. There will be a Send Files button. Click on it and Edge Drop will generate a link. Share this link with your recipient and they'll be able to access the files you've sent. And voila, you have just sent your files using the Microsoft Edge Drop feature. So, to quickly recap what we have discussed, we've delved into the functionality of Microsoft Edge's Drop feature, a tool that simplifies the process of sending files. We walked through the steps, from selecting your file to sending it, using this straightforward feature. Remember, this tool not only makes file sharing more efficient, but also enhances your browsing experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. This is Alessandro El Sharkawi signing off. Happy browsing with Microsoft Edge.